lot of recipes done, chef, and we are right here to do a beautiful dessert, which you say is a Goan Serradura.
Yes, that's
Lovely.
You said it right.
Goan Serradura. So, इसके अंदर हमारे पास भी, as you said, I've got whipped cream, we've got coconut cream, we've got condensed milk, desiccated coconut, and a salt cookie crumble.
Yes.
Caramel
cookies.
Caramel cookie, which is salted, like
Yes.
sea salt.
Yes. sea
Awesome,
salt.
awesome. And you know, the best part of I like about the whole thing is that you've got some nice French tuiles, which have been made with activated charcoal, which is absolutely edible. So these tuiles are very easy to make. One day we'll come out with a recipe to show you how these tuiles are made. बाकी अभी एक काम करते हैं शेफ, फटाफट से इन सब चीजों की असेंबली करते हैं.
Yes.
So let's do that. So we take this glass.
Yes.
Okay. So in this, what exactly is to be done?
So when you say Serradura, basically it's if you literally translate, it's called as a sawdust pudding. So I'll put the sawdust.
That's okay. The salted caramel cookie crumble is sawdust. Okay.
Yes.
So but just to show you, this is the salted caramel cookie rather, and इसको ना एक बार taste करते हैं. Let's see what flavor this gives. In house.
Yes, it is.
Awesome. एक घंटे में कितनी बन जाती है?
We can make 100. No worries.
If you have to make 200, you can make them.
Yes.
Just pack 200 for my home. Okay. Nice.
Certainly.
So this is absolutely awesome. So sawdust के नाम पे the caramel salted cookie crumble goes in, and then the mixture of
This is the mixture of your whipped cream, condensed milk, and the coconut cream.
awesome.
Okay?
Awesome.
So this is our twist, wherein we are also adding in the tender coconut, the local tender coconut.
जो मलाई होती है अंदर की.
Yes.
Oh.
We have chopped it off so that we can just inculcate and get the local flavors out.
फिर से बोलूँगा monopoly. Good. Monopoly. Let's do it. Nice.
So we'll just do 2 layerings of it.
Lovely. Beauty. So we'll just tap it a little bit for even spreading.
Yes.
Wonderful. So इसके बाद one more layer of the sawdust.
Yes.
That's the caramel salted cookie crumble.
Yes.
Awesome. Make sure it's evenly spread out, correct?
Yes.
Wow.
And when you should be able to see it from the sides as well.
एक बार बताओ, मैं इसको खा लूँ अभी सही? अच्छा वेट करते, चलो we'll wait for it. It already looks so awesome. I can't even tell you.
I'll just put some
Tender coconut.
Tender.
यानी जो नारियल कोकोनट की मलाई, उसके छोटे छोटे टुकड़े काट के इसके ऊपर. This is the twist, hence making it the signature dessert. And I can imagine that gooiness of this tender coconut bite में जब आएगा ये, this is going to be heavenly, of course.
not much.
Wow. Yes. अच्छा, one more layer of the cream mix.
Yes.
Beautiful. Make sure बहुत हल्के हाथ से करें, because if you try to force it on, it's going to just mess it up, right?
Yeah.
Light hand and just spread it up with the nozzle. See, that's outstanding. Great. Just tap it nicely so that it just spreads out evenly.
And then final topping with your crumble.
Little bit.
Here we can go a little light.
Yes, because then it has to show the whiteness. Love. Great.
Not too much.
Yes. So इसके ऊपर अगर मैं एक not a layer but थोड़ा सा मैं ऐसे कर दूं, अच्छा है?
Oh, beautiful. That is
Nice. And then we have the activated charcoal tui, which goes right there. And this dessert is totally plated and ready to eat. So this is now ready to eat, right?
Yes, it's all.
But थोड़ा सा color और हो जाए.
Definitely.
So मेरे ख्याल से, you know what, muskmelon balls in kokum, dipped in kokum for
Why
about
not?
6-8 hours.
Why not?
Let's get some. कहाँ से लाए हम लोग? गिली. I've got it right here. Okay. So इसको लेके I just place a couple of them nicely, softly, smoothly, and look at that. Not too much. Make sure only 3 of them, because plating में याद रहे that odd numbers are very, very important. If I put 4, it will not look as good, but with 3, this looks absolutely brilliant. this dessert is absolutely good and ready to eat. बारी है इसको टेस्ट करने की. So let me just get a taste of it. Can I?
Yes, it's all yours, sir.
Brilliant. So इसको क्या करना है? Mix करना है या फिर
No,
ऐसे?
just scoop with the mixture of sawdust.
Oh wow. Wow.
Guys,
Multiple flavors. Oh my god. Okay, so Mercure Goa Devaaya Resort, signature dessert, which is a salted caramel crumble with many creams which are mixed together and they are whipped together, and we've piped it in a dessert glass. Amazing dish, amazing taste, amazing signature dish. Thank you so much, chef. I think all the dishes we did today were absolutely astonishing and amazing. I will be getting some more of it very soon.
Definitely.
Pleasure meeting.
Definitely.